The oldest thing in your fridge.
There are, I would say, layers of hummus from like different like eras of my life. Like, you know what I mean? There's like multiple buckets, and I'm like, I don't know which one to throw out. I think it's time to do a hummus purge, actually. Because, like, I don't know what the modern one is.
Perfect.
There's ones in there where there are Bible characters still in it.
That is so funny. Do you just eat hummus raw, or do you
No, what I'm
carrots?
saying is I buy, well, what do you mean raw?
I mean, do you just eat it by a spoonful? Because you're making it sound like you just eat it.
No, it's like, first of all, I'm from California. And we eat hummus, okay? So I don't mean to like do a culture shock for you or whatever, but
I
that's
lived
just
in California for 16 years.
That's just who we are. Okay,
Okay,
but
you're still
now you're
defending it.
here and you don't get our culture anymore, okay?